Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hotwood, South Birmingham. Wow, Monte Carlo or Montalcino, as it is under the bonnet on the chassis colour plate, but Monte Carlo red, rare. Do not confuse this car with Italian racing or Firenze red metallic, which most red Range Rover Sports are. This was a special order colour. It is Monte Carlo red. It is darker, deeper, more purpley. Beautiful colour. When you get this with ivory leather and a black or a dynamic pack, best looking Range Rovers out there, I think. 2015. Now this car has done 108,000 miles. It has service history. It's just been serviced. The number plate goes with it. It's just had the cam belt replaced. So the cam belt just done and serviced. It's got 21-inch aftermarket JUDD alloy wheels on. It's got a contrasting Santorini black roof from the factory. As I said, ivory leather. Now it's a Range Rover Sport 3 litre SD diesel. It's a V6, it's an Autobiography, and it has the dynamic pack. 4-wheel drive, stop-start, automatic. Autobiography. Comes with all the things: reverse cameras, rear park sensors, privacy glass, red brake calipers, 21-inch JUDD aftermarket wheels, keyless entry, keyless start, big red Brembo brake calipers. It's got a dynamic pack, front park sensors, front fog lamps, daytime LED, running lights, headlamp washers, black grille, black vents, black mirrors, black roof. Beautiful. Real clean inside and well looked after car. This drives beautifully. Air conditioning's just been regassed as well. Super cold. Got the fitted mats, perforated, heated and chilled ivory leather seats, tilt slide glass panoramic sunroof with an electric sunshade, two-tone multifunction leather steering wheel with paddles and an electric steering column, memories for the heated and chilled electric seats, sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Beautiful thing. Space saver spare wheel, parcel shelf is in the boot, MERIDIAN HIFI, super clean, rear climate control, heated rear seats. Lovely. Nice. Power tailgate. As I say, it's a 2015. The number plate goes with the car. It is an Autobiography. There you go, power tailgate. Real nice and clean everywhere you look. Space saver spare wheel. Got the wheel locking key, jack, brace, towing guide, anything you could ever wish for, all present and correct. Press the button. Not dented, scratched or knocked about. Looks to be original apart from the front bumper, which has probably been painted at some time to get rid of stone chips or a scuff, but just means the front of the car looks lovely. Wheels in good condition, lots of tread on the tyres. Decent pads, all look good. No chips on that front bumper. Not many chips on the bonnet either. Windscreen has been replaced recently. We had that done because it had a big chip, so it has a brand new heated windscreen. No chips. Door cards, all in lovely condition. Leather on the driver's seat, nice. Inside, beautiful. Remember, reverse camera, heated and chilled seats. Lovely. It's an Autobiography, plus the dynamic pack, which just makes it look smart, including the black pack. Beautiful thing that. So price, £15,795. Remember, just serviced and had the cam belt replaced. Recently MOT'd, new windscreen, aircon refreshed. Lovely thing. please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be several there'll be several Range Rover Sports. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Beautiful colour, that. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.